Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to cook up a storm and we are going to enjoy what we are doing. Just follow back at me and come let us head to the kitchen. Today we are going to kick it off. We're going to look about some chicken, and we're going to do that in the oven. I have already gone ahead and I washed my chicken and clean it up nicely, take off all the visible fats because I don't like that, the skin and everything, so you can see it well washed with some vinegar and some lime juice. And we are going to get the ball rolling. So for the chicken, I like to cook with garlic and garlic powder. So here we have the badia garlic, and so we're going to kick it off by seasoning our chicken. So I like to use my garlic, but the natural garlic as well as garlic powder, and I'm using the badia garlic. So I'm just going to eyeball it and throw what I want on it. We also go with the badia complete seasoning, so we use this, and again I'm just going to eyeball it and put what I want in it. This is our Maggi all-purpose seasoning, so we're going to do that, and I'm going to just eyeball it too. Forgive me for not giving you measurements. And then we have a little bit of some jerk seasoning from Ucherias that I'm going to add a little, give it a little kick, because I don't do pepper. I don't have much tolerance for pepper, so I'm not one of those who going to tell you that, oh, we're going to add this amount of pepper. No. And of course we're going to add some paprika. I think that was about a half teaspoon of paprika, and we're going to add a little turmeric, and then of course I wash my hands off, and I'm going to get right into rubbing it in. So we have this first part set and this first part down, and I'm going to put this in a container with cover, and I'm going to cover it and let it sit maybe for another 2 hours. And of course this is my little go-to container, not one of those storage containers, but my little go-to plastic container. So I'm just going to put this here.
It's back to school. Are you two projects due the same day ready? Create the next big thing ready? Get your entire list for less.
I like the breast part of the chicken when I do have a piece. This part, these children love, so I'm really doing it for them. Alright. I'm just going to cover this and leave it for a little while until I'm good and ready. And then we can get the ball rolling. Alright, so what we're going to do, these are already washed. So what I'm going to do, this. So we had a cup of oranges. There we have it. And of course we are going to add a few cloves of garlic. And we're going to blend this. We're not yet finished. Alright, so we are back and we're going to finish blending all of this niceness that we have in here. But we are going to add a few pimento seeds. We're going to add a few pimento seeds and we're just going to blend, blend, blend. Alright? Alright. And this is what we have. Our lovely blended goodness. You notice I did not add pepper because my household does not love pepper like that. I know some people are crazy over pepper, but we are not that family. So we already set the oven to hot. I set it at 350. I'm not going to put it any further. So it has been more than 2 hours since I have seasoned my chicken, and we are ready. We are going to put that in. So we have here, and what we're going to do now is we're going to pour this all over our chicken. Let me bring this up to the camera. You see all of this nice juicy goodness? You see? And it smells strong. So the oven is ready. Let me put the light on, and we are going to go right in, and we are going to put this baby right here. We're going to put it right there on the top shelf, and we'll see you back here when we are ready to put some touches to our chicken. All right, see you guys sometime soon. All right, so we are back, and we took out the chicken out of the oven, and of course there were extra liquid that was in there, so I threw it off, and I add my tubes of vinegar and some honey, a little of grease fish and meat sauce, you know, all that stuff, and we are just going to go in and we are going to coat our chicken because it's already soft. It's already soft and moist, so it's already cooked. So we just want to give it some color and some added flavor. So we are going to do, and we are going to give it a little time in the oven, and then we're going to take it out and we are going to do the other side too, and give it a nice color. Alright, so there you have it, and we are going to pop this back in the oven for a few, and then we'll be back right here. Yes, so we are back, and this is it. We took it from the oven, and it's hot. So I'm going to just show you what it looks like. There you go. Nice and moist. See? All juicy. All nice and juicy. Alright? So, you know we have something here. We have a good, and of course I'm going to taste it. This is the bone. I'm sticking the bone. Yep. My fair share. And yes, you see? Juicy and delicious. That's what's happening here. And then we have this tastes absolutely delicious. Try it, guys, and let me know your end result. All right.